morning, my dear students. So, in today's class, I will talk about our precious nature. So, you all are aware about that, what all is going on these days. So, here, what we are doing, we human beings are, spoiling our nature. That is, we are not able to go to the rivers and take bath as in the ancient times people used to do that. So why is this happening these days? Because we have ruined our nature by spoiling it. So and the situation which is going on these days of such a virus which is spoiling our lives, which is taking our lives. So what is that? Actually, it has been, thought by many learned people that nature was as though it was spoiled by human beings. So it is maintaining its balance. It's taking its revenge from human beings. And even I do strongly believe this thing that we have spoiled our nature. And that is why we are stuck in such a situation like today's. And so here I would like to say, I would like to pass a message that if we cannot do some efforts for upgrading our nature, that is, if we cannot add some beauty to our nature, so at least we should not spoil the nature. Today we will write a paragraph on our mother nature, right? So that was just an introduction part to make you be here with the nature. And here I have got some good pictures of nature for you so that you just see the pictures and the things get developed, right? So now let's start up with paragraph writing of today. Minded, this is paragraph writing. Again, I am repeating. So here the first line, nature is the most beautiful gift given to us by God, right? Very easy line for you students. Nature is the most beautiful gift given to us by God. Next, what should we write? Through the ages, nature has attracted man's attention to its various features. And what are the features? You could even observe in the picture the beauty of the nature, dewdrops, sun, moon, everything. What are these are the features of nature, and we automatically get attracted towards those features. So through the ages, nature has attracted man's attention towards its features. And then next, we find the branches of the green trees. Don't we see the branches of the green trees? Those are so beautiful, so amazing, waving in the slow waft of air. What is this waft? Waft is fragrance of air, right? So here we are talking about the trees of nature, so beautiful. And by shifting this line in a poetic style, I have added on in the paragraph, right? So then next, then we have dewdrops. What are those dewdrops? Those dewdrops, whatever are the chilling drops whenever there is winter, or sometimes when the rain stops, the drops are there on the leaves, smaller drops. So those are even drops. And then the other drops, whatever the snow comes, not snow, the chill comes, and sometimes you find fog in some objects. So those are even drops, right? So here then we have dewdrops. Those are even quite beautiful, quite amazing, that shine like silver beads. Those are shining like silver beads on the green grass in the early movement of the day. Whenever there is early morning in winters, you may observe those drops like silver beads on the green grass, right? And then next I have, we cannot ignore the sun, the moon and the stars, isn't it? Which are again the gift of nature to us, right? So then what else we can add on? We can say that here I have added on one quotation so that you fetch more marks in your paragraph. So that is, William Wordsworth was right in saying, nature never did betray the heart that loved her. If we love nature, then definitely it is going to give that love in return. Not at all, it will not at all deceive us. It will definitely give us a reward, right? So this is the quotation by a famous poet whose name was William Wordsworth. Here I would like to take a pause, and I would like to say you students, please don't get worried about such kind of paragraph, as you are quite grown up now and you are going to enter in your senior classes. So I want to make your foundations from this very stage only. So that is why I am just changing your style of writing a paragraph. Okay, so try to learn this. Otherwise I would be giving you a simpler format also, but try to learn this. So here I have taken up the quotation, and then next, man is too small to estimate the full personality of nature. We cannot weigh, we cannot measure the gifts, the blessings, the things which are being given to us by this nature. And we have talked about the waft of air, that is, without the air we are not able to take even a single sigh. So now imagine how precious it is for us to live our lives, isn't it? So man is too small, we are too small to judge the blessings, to measure the blessings, right? And then next we have the hard mass of rocks. What the hard mass of rocks? Those are those rocks which we find in mountains. Those even we feel those are quite good, isn't it? Quite beautiful. The hard mass of rocks, soft and sweet liquid of the rivers. Now, after the hard mass, we have used soft and sweet liquid of the rivers, and seas is important to live, right? So that even water is important for us to live. In real sense, man is part and parcel of nature. Man is part and parcel of nature. Without the existence of nature, there is no existence of man, right? So then we cannot be prosperous without these amazing gifts of nature. We cannot live happily. Even here I should say that we cannot live even, we cannot breathe even without this nature. So here I have added on that thing. Hence we should put forth our actions, that is, we should do some actions to safeguard our mother nature, to safeguard our mother nature, to conserve our mother nature, right? So this was your paragraph, right? So here it would come as in, if you see as a whole, this would come as in like this. A small paragraph it is, with a description I have taken up so that you easily understand and get, make the things in your mind. And now I feel that you will be easily learning it and doing it in your exam. So I hope that you use these lines in your paragraphs in your exam. If any of you have any doubt, any query, kindly connect me for clearance of your queries. I would always be there at your help desk. Thank you.